In this problem, we're asked to find the annual percentage yield. And to do that, we need to know what the APY formula is. And basically, that's the same thing as when we were finding relative increase. Okay, so the relative increase formula was to take the new, subtract the original, and then divide by the original. So in this problem, we don't know those amounts. Instead, what we do know is that we have an APR of 2.07% compounded monthly. So we're just going to select some amount and calculate the using the annual percentage rate, calculate how much is made over a year's time. So we're going to assume that we've got $100. Now you could have used 1,000 or $1, or to me 100 is the easiest to work with since this is a percentage thing eventually. So $100 for 1 year, compounded monthly, at 2.07%. So our formula for this would be A, the amount in the account, is equal to the principal, or the amount invested, 1 plus R over N, where N represents the number of times compounded in the year, raised to the N times Y. So in our situation that we're making up, we're using $100, 1 plus 0.0207. We've got to change that to a decimal. The number of times compounded in a year in this problem was 12. And we're going to raise that to the 12 times 1 year. So in 1 year, when we calculate this, what we end up with is 102.0897.525. That's what I'm reading on the display on the calculator. So if I round that off to the nearest cent, what we've got is $102.09. Now that's the new amount in this account after 1 year. The original amount was $100. So I'm going back up here to this formula now and saying, okay, the APY is equal to the new amount minus the original divided by the original. And when we punch that into our calculator, we end up with 0.0209, and writing that as a percent to 2 decimal places is 2.09%. I hope this has helped.